Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuqa and today I'm going to teach you 4 new letters and some vocabulary. So let's get started. Dal, dhal, ra and za are the letters of today. They all are not connectable, so each one of them has only 2 shapes. You know, in Arabic, all letters connect from the right side. In other words, they all connect to the previous letter, but not all of them connect to the following letter, especially these 4. They never connect to the following letter. Let's see their shapes. Watch carefully and try to imitate. You see, just add a helping line here when these letters are preceded by a connectable letter. That's it. Dal, dal. Dal in Arabic stands for D in English. Dal, da, da, dal. For example, jadid, jadid. Jadid means new. It's an adjective. Jadid, jadid. So if I want to say a new door, I say bab jadid. Bab jadid. A new door. You see, in Arabic, adjectives come after nouns. So we say bab jadid, but not jadid bab. The sister of dal is dhal. Dhal. Dhal is pronounced like the hard th in English, like the th in the word this or the word that. The, dhal. For example, dhu bab. Dhu bab. Dhubab means flies. Before moving to the last 2 letters, let's practice some reading. Ja, the, ba, jadaba. The, ba, ha, dhabaha. The, ba, dhaba. Da, bi, b, dabib. خذي خذي تجديد تجديد. Now ra. Ra is not so easy to pronounce. It needs practice. Well, to pronounce ra, you should use the tip of your tongue and this part of the gum. These two, the gum and the tongue, should hit each other's, not only getting close to each other's, but hitting each other's. Ra, ra, ar, ra, ru, ri, ra. For example, ruh, ruh. Ruh means soul. Ruh. So my soul. Ruhi. My soul. I add ya to the word. Ruhi. My soul. We use this word quite a lot in daily life with our beloved ones. We call them ruhi. Ruhi, like my soulmate or my darling. The last letter for today is za. Za. Some people call it zai, which is also correct, but I'll go with za. Za stands for Z in English. Za, za, very easy. For example, khubz, khubz, khubz. Khubz means bread, and ruz, ruz, ruz. Ruz means rice. And now to the last exercise. Let's read. را با رابا بريحة برحة زرد زرد جزر جزر برزخ برزخ حرير حرير. That's it for today. I know that these letters might be confusing, so make sure to watch the next video because we're going to practice everything we've learned today in the next video, and we're going to learn new and important things. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit the like button and leave me your questions in the comments below. Until next time, salam.